Today, I am reminded of that sobriquet for lawyers handed down by Frank. No words can convey.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, Rodrigo Roa.
Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre II, kindly sit down, please. Thank you. Department of Justice, Associate Justices of the Supreme Court, Attorney Rosario Citias Reyes, officials and members of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines, mga kasama ko sa gobyerno, mga kababayan ko. You know, it is automatic yan eh. Far from it, but I was a hesitant candidate. Alam mo, okay naman sana yun sa akin. Basta gawin mo lang, graft-free, walang hingian, bahala kayo kung anong desisyon ninyo. But be sure you're always on the right side. Wala akong hinahawakan po. Hindi kagaya doon, kaya it travels so long and winding road. So that by the time na pati yung mga infrastructure, Thailand, I got word from the Chinese government that in deference to our friendship, that they want to preserve the relations, do not turn it sour. They are not building anything sa Panatag. Well, sabi ko, thank you. At least, hindi naman you give us a mouth-saving because mayawa na. Kung kayo hindi kayo maghinakit sa akin, bakit maghinakit sa inyo? Para matapos na. Para sabihin ko, tapusin na ninyo. Tapusin na ninyo. Kasi pang hindi, it will be. And may I also add, yung nangyayari, force my hand into it. Once you begin to massacre and slaughter people, thank you very much, and I wish IBP more power.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. From Luzon region bearing pink stickers, please prepare to go on stage. Go up with the President.